another test case. This is a test case of the preaching that came today, and the woman that you sacked from emergency because of lottery number. This lady has been bothering you for too sure.
Or how me answer too sure?
Yes, please.
Too sure.
Too sure. But you always tell us that we don't know the channel that you pursue. We should be smart. He said last week she went to town. She saw a handsome man. She was very fair in complexion. This man called her. She thought even the man was about to propose to her. This man called her and told her that, lady, give me 5 cedis. I want 5 cedis for I to do something for you. So, according to her, she gave the 5 cedis to the man. As she was about to leave, that man told her that, collect these 2 lottery numbers, go and stake, you win. She said, no, I won't collect it. So when she was going, she looked back and this man has vanished. She said, in the dream that you appeared to her and you told her that that man was you, you told us to be smart, so she should come and plead for mercy. You whisper it into her ears. That's why she's standing beside me.
Wabasroha.
Yes, please.
Abehamia se opetusho.
Yes, please.
Waba 2 times, twice. Ena me catcher and say on comedy bebreno. Sister way enya kukudro catcher me say me sondaye. Ena me tiam nam se mame man kase comedy bebre wo dayim. Eye daya me catcher say me de bebre wo dayim. Yes. Ba moment a me catcher say ko me de bebre no. Na man catcher say dayim na me de bebre na me say we de comedy bebre no. Which means say me nimba bi bebre metim dia ere.
Afa dia brewo.
Afa. Wakasi ma kire me kwasiada. Ne dwada ne banada wonam krom. Ena bema bi hia wo fisika. Abrawo nso waba obi nim asole ato aso mpre bebre ma kire on de wi amisi dane me ho. Timi dane akokola abrewa maame papa ketesia abrantie abodamfo. Me se aboa kora metimi dane. Na wabeka asem ya kire me kwasiada se wo petuhio me se komede bebrewo. Ne dwada banada. Wonam krom na branch bi hia wo no se sister mame 5 cedis. What the 5 cedis ne mame?
Bachai.
Ba me ka say je tuhio no wanye.
Bacho da bi.
Eti anadwo na wo koda so dae no e na me ba wo dayem. Ena me ka kire wo se tobo ena me ka kire wo se abrante na wo hia wo krom na osira wo 5 cedis se fama me na wo de man na o ma wo tuhio na wanye eye me enjire obinim.
Bachai.
Eti waye asowode nti bra bebu nkotodwe pa me chew.
Bachai.
Ada na wanye namba no.
Enjem bacho akura bi di kaje me 10 cedi okwade so ti na me boafu. Nti me share man na oje 5 cedi no.
Akura bi ajo 10 cedis wo kwan so ti na boafu.
Bachai.
Ena we nso ka se man 5.
Bachai.
Ti na boafu. Ba wo de 5 ne man no.
Bachai.
Na wo de ama no anu so bufuo be na wom. Wan fa ama no na boafu. Nipa na ma tuhio.
Enjem bacho.
Wo be ka kire me wo soro ha no. Me ka kire wo se komede bebrewo. Me minim se mitimi dane bema. Mitimi dane wo ba akokora abrantie abrewa aketesia bodamfo. Maka se mo ya ka se metima dane wo bi ya de ade na brewo physical.
Yenya smart.
Wo be ka se ma kire me kwasia da wo dem ha. Me se komede bebrewo. Ene se bebre be ka bi kire me so petuhio. Obu on ma me je ne phone mi bogu so ma no me ma ne da wo nkotwa. Obu oso me am de pen ni pipa twero ma no se je ne kotwa me ma ne da wo nkotwa. Obu oso wo ka se me petuhio me se da bi me no ka se emma eti komede bebrew. Obu okoto nya kukuduro ka kire me se oh angel me nso da yo no ma ka se da bi me nka se me bebrew wo da yim. Eye daye na me pesa me de brewa me ya me ka kire o se me de bebrew e wo da yim. Ba wa man ka daye na me ka se komede bebrew no minim baby a me de be fa ba asem no ani wo ka kire me san je wo petuhio kwasia na no na me se ko me de bebrew ne dwada ne banada na me hia wo kuro madana me different person me dane me ho akola ketoa me sere wo 10 Ghana me hwe se wutiri mo odin a wutiri mo nya den wo de maame na me se wo ni papa
okay
ene wo se me de ade ne che no me sa dane me ho be ma panyini ena me se mame 5 Ghana me sa we ni papa nam na wo se me de ade ma nam se so acha me 5 dia somji lotto number ne kotwa abra lotto number me de ma so ebebo Adana number wenka. Me see me the number ne ma wo na adana koye den. Kotwa. Sadia san. Me say sadia san. Wa me say adia san me de ma wo physical na adia san twa the next day. But me de ma wo instantly na adia san ya den.
Kotwa. Adana.
Na me de ma wa wo se me nyi number no. Ubu afu.
Also the sika no so ameni pa no.
Na na bufuo no nyansa be de wo.
Na nyansa be no mu.
Ne krampa de pa. Anadwona no wo se me ba ne dan na me se wo waso on den. Me engine obi ni madan me hu nipa bi ba on chen physical. E di ade e ma wa wo se wonye. Hwe se number na bo. Ampanumre na number ne boy.
Jesus Christ.
Se wo twa no 50 Ghana franc obedi say 100 million. Wo so to e pesika. Sikenti mema ne wo da rough. Wei, me se me ka na asem. O timi kan je se mema tu ana tre na hu ne ho. Sikenti mema ne da rough. Sikenti kura kokoji sikaduro wei.
Jesus.
Kokoji sikaduro. O pa fama ki to se me boa. Kokoji sikaduro oko me boa. Sikenti kokoji sikaduro. Kura ni beba wo so akodwa okot. Okokura wie. Me na ko stop on se wonyai. Na me boa no. Eno na wo be ka kire me se nje boa na me se me boa wo. Ti me bro tusu a ne dwa da bana de ya hwe. Osu.
And you say we say
Why na me man number ni bi obetwa. Ubetwa.
yes.
Eno kura ka hunti na wa ha. Ye won sapo wu nu ya chika say yes smart.
Yes, smart.
Chana we mu say yes smart.
Yes, smart.
Hate your neighbor, tell that person be smart. Hit him or her hard. Tell him or her be smart.
And they say o person memman emfa o sansa no ma osika na no na pe.
Agye mpacho da bi fachem.
So do you want to be sleeping with men before they give you money and you know, please forgive me?
Memma waswa cement baako. Every asole dan wa ko bofi obi junction so. Na wo sad ya ba. Me ka me bofo a ye fa ne njiro bi ni ma me gina mu sisi a wo e wo mata ba me hontam. Opa me chokwa me mfa nche wo. Me wo me bofo mu na me kasa me ni bishop obi nim tibia me wo me angelic form. Ti na me se me ka me bofo hontam. Usuo wa usuo mema waye. Eti mo mpe cement ba ko nsoa no. Ene nsuo to dia no wa firim enso ntoya. Onfa nso ankopem bofe du junction ne so. Baby a taxi fo no wono. Na onsan nanti free kwan ne ho mbra. Oba pe mesa ka number foforo gu na so mu sesia.
That's right.
No akotwa. Eti mo fa video camera ba ko ento no so. O tira pe na mo di mobile phone. Obi di mobile phone na di nachi. Sofo ata wo fa phone di nachi. Na onko me punish no. Answer number foforo ba no.
Good. So that is a punishment.
Shut be. Adia obi pebi atwa. Obi pebi. Now I say with chance. From some from say Allah. Semina minya ya.
Semina minya ya. If I had had this number, Jesus Christ, I wouldn't have spared the machine. So that is a punishment. Unless I forgive this lady, that is the punishment. She has to carry one bag of cement from here to Bofedu Junction, where that taxi rank is. Then come back
to Bosole.
Yeah.
The church premises.
Yeah, to the church premises.
Bosole here.
Bosori here. Then I will forgive her and then know what to do to help her.
Number for fra ebebo chinegu na sum na china wetwa.
Then after I finish this, then I will whisper 2 numbers again into her ears, the numbers that will drop tomorrow for her to go and then stick. So that's a punishment.
Once you are what you want, maybe will be watching.
You who is sitting there, I also come and give you some.
Shagbe. Usuo wa usuo memo waye. Eti mo mpe cement ba ko nsoa no. Ene nsuo to dia no wa firim, enso ntoya. Onfa nso ankopem bofe du junction ne so. Baby a taxi fo no wono. Na onsan nanti free kwan ne ho mbra. Oba pe. Mesa ka number foforo gu na so mu sesi a.
That's right.
No akotwa. Enti mo fa video camera baako ento no so.
Enti wa ne de cement baako ebeyire obeyi. Na dofo wa wo show.
Soa cement baako. Fira so dan wa ko bo fi obi junction no so. Na wo saade aba. Me ka me bofo a ye fa ne njiro obi ni ma me gina mu sesi a wo e wo matabe me ho ntam. Wo pa me chokwa me mfa nche wo. Usuo wa usuo memo wa ye. Enti mo mpe cement baako nso wa no.
That's right.
No akotwa.
Then come back.
To Bosole.
Yeah.
The church premises.
Yeah, to the church premises.
Bosole here.
Bosori here. Then I will forgive her and then know what to do to help her.
Number for fra ebebo chinegu na sum na china wetwa.
Then after I finish this, then I will whisper 2 numbers again into her ears, the numbers that will drop tomorrow for her to go and then stick. So that's a punishment.
Once you are what you want, mebre obi watin.
You who is sitting there, I also come and give you some.